Hey there, YouTube fans, how you going? I'm gonna make this light rye bread recipe in real time. And look, I really don't have the energy to edit everything, so just bear with me. I'm gonna do this stuff in real time. So I've already added, I've got a bread maker here just out of shot, and I've already added 1 3/4 cups of warm water and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar in that bread machine. I'll bring it forward a little bit so you can see it. So I'll try and put this recipe link online as well if I remember. So the next ingredient is a packet of yeast. So I just got dry yeast that I'm going to put in. So we'll do that, 7 grams, but I think the packet is, let's double check. Yeah, 7 grams satchel. All right, 7 grams goes in. Okay. With this recipe, I'm in North Queensland, Australia, so it's pretty warm here. I don't really have to wait. It's going to take a while. Just going to grab my rye flour and my white flour. I'm just using, sorry about the weight there, I'm just using organic rye flour, and this is important. This is high protein 00 flour. This is an Italian brand, but high protein 0000 flour. Okay, you use it for pizza. I'm using pizza flour. Alright, so it says here 210 grams of rye flour. We're going to get our scales out and just going to measure this out on the scales. And yes, I am aware I'm out of shot. Alright, so it's 210 grams. Just put flour everywhere. It's 230. I got lucky, that's the whole packet. So I need to just put a little less of the other flour. So what's that? 20 grams difference. And white flour, so that's this one here, the pizza flour, as I said. 400 grams normally. Let's go with 390 or 380 because I used a little bit more. Yep. Got to be pretty precise with these things. All right, 380 grams, but it was normally 400, right? 300, I'll put that in there. I know I'm doing this like seems like a joke, but I'm actually serious. I'm making real bread. Don't worry. Got flour everywhere. 2 teaspoons of salt. I like iodized salt because you normally need a little bit of iodine in your diet. Oh, this one's cooking salt. I'm going to use this table salt, iodized, just regular salt. So again, 2 teaspoons, so that's 1. And 2. All right, now, I've got some caraway seeds here. It says here 1 tablespoon. These are fairly old, but hopefully they're right. They've been sealed up. Just going to go 1 tablespoon there. And you can actually use coriander. So for fun, I'm going to put some of these in. Down about a tablespoon to, you know, keep it kind of Russian style. All right, and the last secret ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. Now, it says here 1 tablespoon or a splash. Yeah, 1 tablespoon is enough. A good tablespoon of that. Throw that in there. I'm using a bread machine, as I said. Put the last bit in there. So the method is, I'll close that. The method is in the bread machine on the basic setting, 3.5 hours setting, and to bake it with the medium crust setting, and then you add another 10 minutes on top. 10 minutes on the bake setting to cook it a little longer, because 3 hours 25 isn't enough. So my machine set here 3 hours 25. That's it, and then that'll go through its whole system. It'll be 3 hours 25 minutes, and then I'll add another 10 minutes, as I said, when it's nearly cooked, and then we'll go from there. So I'm not going to make you wait 3.5 hours or so. So I'm going to put everything back away, and then hopefully this video will continue. All right. So I'll see you hopefully with a finished product. Bye for now.